I am very excited today to announce the release of the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. And I know you're probably thinking, what does that even mean? Well, it's 3 products: the locked hairspray, my Tidal Wave Sea Salt Volumizing Spray, and the new thermal ceramic 2-inch round brush. And in my experience from doing these TikToker type haircuts and tutorials and things, I've always said that Tidal Wave is literally the best pre-styler you can use for that look. And I still stand strong, it is. Then Locked is a great matte finish hairspray with very kind of light to medium pliable hold, but it's really designed just to lightly lock that in, because a lot of times you see these guys running their fingers through the hair, but it's still kind of holding. So that's why this is really unique. And again, it's a matte finish hairspray, which is very rare as well. And then last but not least, this is the 2-inch brush. So I released a larger barrel not that long ago, and I said, it's too big to do the TikToker hairstyles. So I said, I need a smaller brush, and here it is. And the way that you would actually do this, because I do have a mannequin right here, and this mannequin basically has the TikToker hairstyle, which I've done a video on. This is like the Quentin Griggs look, okay? So for this, what you do is you spray in about anywhere from 5 to 6 spritzes of Tidal Wave throughout the hair. Then you're going to actually blow dry it. And when you blow dry the hair, you want to really kind of smooth it out a bit, even though it does look somewhat messy. You want to make sure this is nice and smooth, and that's where the round brush comes in. And the way to get these flips in the front, which is really what makes the whole look, is by locking in the brush right in through here, holding the nozzle. Now let's talk about the nozzle real quick. The nozzle is something that almost all hair dryers have, and it's detachable. The nozzle just directs the hair in one area, as opposed to not having a nozzle, it's just blowing the air all over the place. So by having the nozzle, you're directing the heat and the air in one area. And that's the only way to go about doing this. So you take the brush, this brush, it glides right through the hair, which is phenomenal. And you would normally be doing this on damp to wet hair. And then you just hit it with the nozzle and the brush, let it sit for a second, then go back in and do it again. You don't ever want to sit there and hold the nozzle or the blow dryer onto the brush on your hair for a long period of time, because you will fry and kind of damage your hair, to be honest with you. The unique thing about this barrel, though, is because it does have, it's a ceramic barrel, and it does offer some heat protection to it. So you're really going to be in much better shape using this type of brush. So you want to let the brush settle in for a few seconds, and you can do that throughout the entire head. So the whole front needs to be blow dried back like this. Then you could even go on top of the section above it if you want to get more volume and more texture, and then you can do it throughout all of this to kind of get that whole area lifted like so. All right, and then what you do is, after you do that kind of notorious look where the hair, the guys bring it back like this, they run their fingers through it and then kind of just bring it forward to get that kind of textured look. That's where you use the locked hairspray to just lock in and create that pieciness. And as you can see in through here, we've got like that, notorious TikToker haircut. And this can be done, doesn't have to be this long. Obviously, trying to manage a hairstyle like this on the longer side may not be as simple, but even as you can see with what I've just done, it's going to work. So this works on longer hair types, shorter hair types, and you can also watch a lot of my TikToker hair tutorials that I've done already if you are wanting to learn how to get the haircuts and the hairstyle. So this is the TikToker Hairstyle Kit. It is now live on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. And we discounted this bundle together. So you are getting a nice little discount if you do purchase the kit, as opposed to each one of these items individually. And Black Friday is around the corner, where we're doing a 30% off and free shipping in the United States deal from Black Friday all the way to Cyber Monday. So if you want to wait for that, that's great, but these are available now. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with a Salon Guy.